So hi friends, today I'm going to start a new web series for Learn PHP Programming in 2021. Okay, let's see the introduction of PHP. What actually PHP is, we will see in this video. After going the next slide, that PHP Introduction. Here is the PHP Introduction. Who is created the PHP? That is Rasmus Lerdorf in 1994. The very first incarnation of PHP was a simple set of common gateway interface CGI binaries written in the C programming. Secondly, the PHP is server scripting language and a powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. So basically we use PHP for making web pages and dynamic websites. Why PHP should be used? Okay, when we are going to start learning PHP, that is most important, that why PHP is in our life and why should we learn PHP. It is very we must have to understand it. It rules the web world with almost 79% of websites that utilize a server are using PHP. Means in all over the world there are many languages running over the internet, and we create websites and web applications using several languages like Java, Python and other languages. But in that case of PHP, that 79% of websites and web applications are created in PHP. Is many CMS like WordPress, OpenCart, Magento. So these kind of popular CMSs are belongs to PHP. So PHP is widely used over the internet to making web applications and websites. Creating e-commerce applications using WordPress and Magento are so easy. If you want to create any e-commerce applications, then you can use WordPress and Magento. Okay, and it is so easy to manage and create e-commerce applications. What web servers we use for this? That is XAMPP server, WAMP server, and for Linux that is LAMP server. These are the web servers we use for running PHP. Okay. With the next slide, what is here? The PHP first program, how to write the PHP. So there is some prerequisites for PHP, that you must know the HTML, JavaScript and CSS also. And this is the basic syntax of PHP. That is, firstly we write the HTML. Firstly we write the HTML, and then in the HTML section, under the body section, we write the PHP syntaxes, and with the help of this opening and closing tags. Under this opening and closing tags, what we write is a PHP script. In the PHP script, the echo command basically we use to print the statements and anything what we want to print over the web pages. So let's see how we can do a simple program in PHP. As we have discussed that we need some web servers like WAMP, JAMP and LAMP. Since I am using the Windows desktop, okay, and I will recommend you to use XAMPP firstly, then go to the download section. So if we type in Google that XAMPP download, then we have many links to download it. Click on anywhere. Sourceforge.net is also good. After clicking on this link, we will go to the downloadable web page where we can download XAMPP server. So here is the link to download. Okay, you can also try this link. Since I have already downloaded the XAMPP server, so I do not need to download, but you must have to download first before doing PHP program. Okay, it is so simple. When you download it, just do next steps, follow the steps, it will automatically be installed in your system, and it will ask for the path where you want to save the XAMPP server. Okay, basically it is by default installed in C drive. Now let's see the structure of this XAMPP server. I am opening the C drive. Here I have already installed the XAMPP server. So we can see the folder named with XAMPP, SAMPP. When we open it, there are several folders. These are actually websites. These are actually subfolders of XAMPP, and it is related with the functionality. There is one main folder, that is htdocs. Okay, where we keep all the projects what we are creating. So I have created some projects in that already, but firstly we will see how to run a simple program in PHP. Okay, so in the C drive, go to the XAMPP and go to the htdocs and then create a folder named with my PHP programming, or you can write a simple name, my PHP. PHP. Okay, now we need a code editor where we can write the codes. So I recommend Notepad++. You can also download it from the internet, and it is so easy to install. Just following the next step, it will get installed in your system. You can install it anywhere, in C drive or anywhere else. But when we create a project, it must be saved in the folder. What we just keep the name, it doesn't matter, but it should be in htdocs, XAMPP, and after htdocs, and then create a project file with a folder. Okay, then we write the first program what we have seen in the slide. Write the code, HTML, open, HTML, close, just save it first. Where do I have to save it? Go to the C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, what folder I have created just, that is my PHP. Okay, in my PHP, give it some name, like I am giving the name of this file index.php. Okay, just save it. Now it is get saved. Okay, .php is the extension for PHP files. After saving this, create an HTML skeleton, that is HTML opening, HTML close. After that, create body. Okay, now what we write for the web page to show, we have to write in the body section. Okay, I'm just giving a simple headline with h1 tag, as I understand that you have much friendly with HTML. So h1 is the heading tag. My first PHP program. Okay, just save it. I have already saved it in the destination, but after any changes we have to Control S. Okay, now how we write the PHP syntax? Just like this: PHP open, PHP close, and between that we write the PHP syntax. How can it write? Just do some echo command, echo. After the echo, write a simple statement like I am going to learn PHP. Okay, do Control S. After doing this all stuffs, we have to see the reflection of this page which I have created on the web. So how can you do so? Okay, do it like this. Just type local host, but first you have installed XAMPP server. Open the XAMPP control panel. This is the control panel of XAMPP. Okay, when you just open it, just start two things: Apache and MySQL. Okay, start and start. Okay, after starting this, we can write local host dashboard. Yeah, it will show a dashboard for you. Okay, but right now it's not showing that I'm using some other frameworks and of PHP, so I think the port is engaged with some other program. But let's see, we have to just write the local host, and after the forward slash just remove the dashboard and write the actual project you have created in htdocs. What is that? That is my PHP folder. Okay, then give the folder name my PHP. Okay, sorry, my PHP, and after that give a forward slash. And what is your first file of PHP project? That is index.php. If you write index.php, then press it. What here we are looking, that this is the heading, my first PHP program, and this is the echo command which I have just used in the PHP open and closing syntax. So this is the simple syntax of PHP what we have seen today. Okay, I am going to learn PHP. If we change it like this, with Techno Tulip, just save it by Control S. Okay, now see, I am going to learn PHP with Techno Tulip. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of PHP and how we write the PHP syntaxes under the PHP open and PHP closing. Okay, or one more thing, we have given the name index.php for this file, but if we do not just write the index.php after my folder name, it will also print the same result. Why this is happening? Because when we create PHP project, the index.php is always the main file of my or your project. Okay, so we do not have to write index.php. So Hope this is very much clear that what is PHP and what is the simple syntax of PHP today. In the next video we will discuss more about PHP and we will see more about syntaxes and all other things like variables, data types and other stuffs. Okay, so further today, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel Techno Tulip. See you in the next video. Thanks and take care.